Open, please.
Okay, we'll open this.
Yes.
All right.
Maybe we'll just knock your video out real quick and then we'll go over to the table by the playground. She wants to play. Do our food and stuff over there.
Help.
Hey everyone, Morgan and Fam here. So today I have an overview and a review of the survival fishing kit by rulethewasteland.com. That would be from Eric at over the THELORDHUMUNGUS channel. So I have been testing this fishing kit for the past several weeks. I've been using a survival stick, and I've been using a fishing pole, and I've been using just the line. I've been using everything from this fishing kit for the past several weeks. And here is my general overview of the kit. And I'm going to show you guys where you can find it as well. I think it's important to have a fishing kit, in your bug out bag and wherever. So let's dive into this kit a little bit. This kit comes with 50 meters of 15-pound test monofilament line, 10 large hooks, 20 small hooks, 3 Trebby hooks, 3 foam cigar float bobbers, 1 fly lure, 3 glow-in-the-dark grub lures, 2 crappie lures, 3 single tail grub lures, 1 minnow lure, 12 bobber stoppers, 3 barrel swivels with quick clips, 1 roundhead jig, 3 egg sinkers, 6 removable split shot sinkers, 3 wire leaders with swivels and snaps, and 2 razor blades. Overall, this seems like a very complete kit for a variety of different places. I will have to change a few things out for some specific fish and things in my area, but overall, it's a very complete kit. One thing that I really wish that it had is I wish that it had some sort of instructional guide on how best and when best to use some of this stuff. For somebody who might be more of a novice, at fishing, some helpful tips on how to use some of this stuff would have been really nice. I know how to use the majority of this stuff, but a couple of these things I had to look up, for people who just, aren't expert fisher people, but overall, it's a very comprehensive kit. Just like with anything, any kit, any skill, you need to practice, practice, practice. And just like with most kits that you get, it is really hard to get everything back in perfectly to the kits, but you do your best. So there's only a limited supply of these, so if you'd like to get your hand on it, if it looks like something that you could really go with your kits, or your bags or whatever, I would definitely highly recommend this. Despite a few of the flaws and things, you can always add to the kits. That's what's great about just kits in general. You can always add to it. So take stuff out, add a little bit to it. Like I'll probably be adding a few different types of bait that will be a little bit better for us in this kind of area. But other than that, I think that this is a really great kit. It's nice and compact, and come on, it's the tin they were really buying here, right? I think it's a really smart idea to have it in the tin instead of like a plastic bag or something. I can use this tin for so many different purposes. So anyway, I'm going to put a link down below to where you can go get it for yourself, and head on over to THELORDHUMUNGUS and rulethewasteland.com and check out Eric's channel. Thank you all so much for watching. Conquer tomorrow by preparing today. Talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye.